you can have like multiple monitors on your computer, right? So if you're using Windows 11 and there's a key that you press, but you can have multiple virtual web desktops on Windows 11. So you can have your game here, you can have this here, you can have that here. That's one option. There's also, if you have a big TV, an extra big TV at home, you can connect that up to your computer, right? And as long as you're not playing multiplayer games, you're not playing Apex and not playing Titanfall 3 multiplayer, you can game on a big TV, right? Why you have specialty 4K monitors is because of latency. But if latency doesn't matter, if you play an RTS or you're playing like a story game, like a Telltale game, it doesn't matter if there's like a 10, 15 millisecond latency time between a picture and what you're doing on your computer. It's actually quite doable. And that gives you the advantage of like a 50-inch screen. You could have four monitors. I know a guy who does that. He has four separate virtual monitors on his big TV for work, for games, for something, and it's pretty easy to do it. Why I wanted to bring the story up is number one is yes, having multiple monitors has a cost. So two or three or four, and you're just basically sucking up frames on your game. If you have your game in the center monitor and you have your email open and your Slack open and whatever else open, a better solution in some cases might just be to have a really big TV. And of course, you sit the appropriate distance back and you set up virtual monitors within Windows 11. Again, very easy to do. Now, if you're a console gamer, of course, that is not doable. At least I don't think so. This is something interesting. I just got a new monitor last week, which is why I thought about it. My monitor has that option on the hardware side to split this 4K 32-inch monitor into two 1080p monitors that I can run separately from my graphics card to do things with. Which is useful because sometimes when I play games, it's 5 or 6 a.m. New York time, and I still get Slack messages from the office in Europe. So it'd be nice to have Slack open, and I can still play my Valorant or my Starfield, which is what I was playing yesterday.